In this video we will be looking at recording a macro in Excel to add a new sheet. Automating the addition of new sheets through a recorded macro in Excel enhances workflow efficiency, ensuring a quick and standardized way to expand the workbook structure. Let's focus on this worksheet with a table as an example. Before recording a macro, it is good practice to save the file as macro-enabled to ensure it works in the future. To do so, select Save As and find the macro-enabled option from the drop-down. To start a macro recording, you must click on the Record button in the lower left corner of the screen. After the Record macro window opens, give it a name and select OK. Note that you can create a shortcut key to run this macro as well as create a description of what the macro does. After selecting OK, the macro begins recording. I am selecting the plus button to add a new sheet and clicking on the stop button to end the recording. Now to test the macro, I use Fn plus option plus F8 to view macros. Select the macro that I just created and run. The macro has created a new sheet. You can run the macro from a button. To do so, click on the Insert tab followed by clicking on the Shapes option. Insert a shape into the worksheet. Next, open the menu for the shape and assign the shape to the macro. Thanks for watching this video. For articles related to Excel, see the link in the description.